We want to thank you for tuning in to Wakes and Wheels. Today we got a car show coming at you from the Castle Air Museum in Atwater, California. It's the Bombs Away car show.
And it definitely was an awesome turnout. They had probably close to 500 cars there. We had to make 2 different volumes. We got volume 1 coming at you right now. Subscribe so you definitely get notified for volume 2 and what other shows we're turning out. But until then, enjoy the show. Thank you for tuning in.
Thanks for tuning in.
All right, this beauty's just sitting out here in the parking lot. Come to the show with a show truck, huh? This is a nice ride. It's like my old one. Love the hood. Cow induction. I like how he did the bed. That's nice. Alright, so this time I found out about the car show, and I called my one-legged pirate and had him show up. It's like, let's go. So they showed up, and here we are. All right, how you guys doing?
Good, how you doing, Bill?
Real good, real good.
Good to see you, Bill.
Good to see you.
A little
Bill.
late.
That's all right. 1923 Model T. Look at that. Steering wheel comes up, pops up so you can get in the truck.
When you're watching, it looks like it's on. But here, look at the steering
Look at the
wheel.
horn. Oh, that's the light. That's the spotlight.
Oh yeah, that must be the headlight. No, it's got.
No, it's a
headlights.
spotlight. It's
Yeah, that's
adjustable.
pretty neat. See the
Isn't that?
spotlight?
Oh yeah. Wood roof.
Look at the thing. That must be the fire extinguisher in that corner. You'd throw it at the fire.
A YouTube channel.
Oh, thank you.
You bet.
Beautiful. And you gotta have a mechanical degree to operate this thing. It's like 3 shifters.
Hooks for towing.
Old racing cars. Boats go back in, engines on. Really awesome looking. That running board with the little wood boxes, the little cool old fire screen. So it's an awesome car.
I got a YouTube channel I'm starting. I'll be definitely putting this
It
one.
would, but
Thank you.
just need a PTO belt,
Yeah.
leather belt.
I like the thing on the wheel when it always steals it.
Yeah. I guess if you take your belt off your butt, you just put another one on. Wooden spokes.
There's a guy at the Ellis house had an old truck like
Look at
this
that
with
leather
spokes
belt
in there.
drive for the PTO pump system. Water comes in, And there's the fire hose right there.
It was up on floor. They hooked up wheels through spikes.
That's unreal. Look at that. The steering wheel literally does that to go in and out of the truck. That is, huh?
I can squeeze through with it just regular,
Yeah.
but it's much easier when I put it up.
And now, that was a stock item on this?
Accessory.
Okay.
Probably about $4 in a day.
About a $4 accessory. Wow. Yeah. Right. Look at the roof in this. Drinking cup up here in the corner.
If this was built in the cars we know today, would have never been built. So you should be glad this was built because then cars would have
What's the oil can for up front?
On the front ends and everything.
Just to keep things lubricated. That is awesome.
Bearings, for the wheels, and you had to lose it.
Got you. To lube the wheels and everything. Sure. Okay. Are your lights on?
No.
They look like it. Oh yeah, okay. Look at the crane.
I don't think I want anything.
Even got a gunner turret out the side.
Beautiful motor.
Oh, he's got his old leather. He's got his old jacket in there.
Oh, the old Letterman jacket in there. How cool is that?
Go video that tractor with the bomb. Right here.
Clean.
It's my Letterman sweater.
That's your Letterman's?
I
That's-
am Holly.
Nice. We're doing a YouTube channel, and your car will definitely be in it.
Pretty nice ride.
We just go on YouTube and look for that link.
You see the paperwork? I've got all the original paperwork here.
All original, huh? Look at this.
Got the door, the window sticker. And even it's got the add-ons penciled in, dealer add-ons. There's the receipt.
Look at that. What was the price band there? Where's it at?
$29.21.
$29.21. Unbelievable.
It's worth about $40,000
Oh,
right now.
don't we know?
And then I got the owner's manual, and I had the warranty card, but I lost it.
Now, are you the original owner?
Second.
Second owner. Yeah. Look at that. That's impressive. Nice job. Nice, nice. Is it the original paint?
No,
Or it's
original,
after?
it's original colors, but
Okay.
it's not, nothing's original.
Gotcha. Uh-huh. Sure.
All the running gear is original, except I beefed up the engine a little bit. And I tried to make this look like what we did back in the 60s.
Yeah. Yeah. Clean job. Beautiful, beautiful ride.
It's already been nice. Great. Hey, at least the weather's been holding up. That's
Series high?
What's that?
Series high? Ceres High School?
No, Cleveland High School in Reseda, California.
Oh, okay.
This planet sucks, right?
What? What's that, buddy?
This planet sucks.
Sus?
What's that mean?
I've seen you.
That's cool. Nice.
Are these custom rims?
No, they're made by Line. Yeah, they're really designed for racing. We actually converted 2 rear wheels. That's why the back wheels, maybe they're just too much for here. Yeah, it's put really. The tires, wheels are all.
It's just a long nose. It's a Hudson. 1946 Hudson. That hood is just unreal. I love the length of that hood. Try not to, like on people's license plate, don't get that on the video.
Yeah. I'm not videoing this.
That'll be good because then I could. Because I usually fall asleep to watching something.
How long you had this one?
Since 1974.
Original one? Oh.
Somebody found a new ride. Look at you.
This thing's cool.
Boy, don't touch anything in there. We don't want.
Let him sit here if I didn't care. It's perfectly all right. He could do
Wow.
everything but start it up. You know, you can look at all the video you want of all the different cars, but the one you know what you're going to enjoy the most is when you're sitting in because it's good to see you in there.
It's the only one
It's
we
like,
can sit in.
it's like
That's
taking
cool.
pictures of scenery. If you're not in the scenery, it's just scenery.
Look at this, huh? That's right. We're gonna we'll have you on our channel.
Oh, cool.
We're on YouTube. Wakes
Wakes.
and Wheels. You all right?
Glasses.
Right.
Well, you guys definitely take a picture of those flags. The flags right there.
Yes, sir.
So we just YouTube. YouTube. Hey, you want to sit?
I might fit in.
How do you open the door?
Oh, have a seat first.
Around the.
No, it ain't gonna work. Cause I'd have to.
Just like that. Just like.
Yeah, that's
just
cool.
like that.
Yeah, that's nice.
Like I
Look at
said,
this. The one-legged pirate taking over. You guys are looking for the key in the gate, aren't you? You got the wrong two sitting
He's
in
got
there.
the battery disconnected.
Yeah,
I saw that.
because of guys like you. Nice.
Yeah, like
Nice.
a copy of both.
So what is this?
what kind of car?
56 Corvette? I just read that.
Yeah, oh yeah. This is the Corvette. The years I like.
That's cool.
This is a fiberglass body, isn't
All
it?
fiberglass,
Yep.
two metal pieces. This lid and the cowling up in front of the
Wow.
AC.
Back in the day, they sure were. But boy, are they a collector these days. Right?
That's a nice printer.
You think?
They're announcing, and they're making all the noise while they're announcing. There it is.
I bet you Bill's over there. You think? Pick out whatever you want.
Sounds cool.
Go sit in it and then we can tell me to sit.
Dad, are we going home now?
He told me he would let me drive it.
Wait, my camera's skating.
That's why you want to have to watch some.
See?
I hate the
Wait,
noise
hold on.
of it.
You don't like the noise? That's the best part.
It didn't have a steering wheel on it when I did that?
No.
Could be bad. I didn't know it didn't have a steering wheel on it.
Hold on.
There you go, Kylie. Ready?
Yes, sir. Here. Here.
I was wondering how they do that.
You bet, bro. Yes. Yes, we're doing a YouTube channel. Your car will definitely be in it.
Thank you. Well, that's a rare car, by the way.
Oh, I know.
Well, if you know, then you know.
Oh, yeah. No, I mean, this is a beautiful car.
Thank you. I just got it done. Fours on it.
Audio Wag in the house provided the music today. Thanks to all the good folks at the Castle Air Museum for putting on this wonderful event. Thank you for bringing out your vehicles. And remember, about 1:30 at the stage up here by the food court, everybody needs to be here. Yeah.
All right. Stop by my place. I might be able to have something we can work at. Kind of feel bad because I didn't make them myself. But I'm going to give Steve all the before he shit came out of it. Definitely. But they don't put them together. Yeah, I think it was we got it from Speedway. And stuff for all the rivets, but yeah, had to assemble all that stuff.
When you gonna fire them up?
200 rivets on each.
Right now.
Each seat.
Yeah.
This is the door handle? Yes.
One thing you don't say to them that you can't make it run. Because that car he has is 60. Yeah.
Maybe if it's got any fuel in it.
Someone said to him, you can't make a 413 max with one of that.
Super stock national record holder.
Yeah. No, it's a stock. Yeah. And I saw, I mean, it was neat, but I saw a car. Oh, it was on 10 days. Here in some glass, and they had some
Man, I can't tell you how much I just sit around and listen to exhaust like that. And then a couple of those guys were running race fuel going out, and that smell. Anyhow, there were so many cars there. That's volume 1. We got volume 2 coming.
So like, subscribe, hit the little bell. That'll notify you that when that next volume 2 comes out. And I just want to say that it was really nice running into a lot of people that had watched our channel and
that was cool.
Ran into some really cool people, and
That
was just kind of
cool.
surprised. Hey, we watch your videos, and
it was cool to see that already so
Right.
soon.
So this weekend we're going to be down at Stuckfest. It's Mud Bogs, and we're going to try and make it to the Good Guys show, and we'll be turning those out.
We sure thank everybody that's tuning in.
Be sure and hit that bell.
Thank you.
Thank you.